In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting an error on Roblox which says to please confirm your identity, an unknown error has occurred. So let's jump straight into the video. There's a few things that we're going to try, and the first thing to do is to check the actual status of the Roblox servers. So what you want to do is come across to a website which is called status.roblox.com, and what you can do is just click on these drop down boxes and check all the servers to make sure everything is showing as operational. And if you scroll down, you're going to see some history, and if there's anything that is affecting you, then of course you'll just have to wait a few minutes for Roblox to sort the issue out. Now, if you've tried that and you've tried logging in and you're still getting the error message and all the servers are operational, the next thing you're going to want to do is run a speed test on your internet connection. So if you come across to a website called speedtest.net, and then once you get onto this website, all you want to do is click this go button down here, and it's going to run a quick speed test on your internet connection. So if you're getting quite a high ping and this is causing issues, then what you want to do is think about disconnecting some devices from the internet. Of course, devices that aren't being used, so things like phones, for example, things like that. If you've got a phone connected as well and you're not currently using it, then if you disconnect that, that could actually help resolve the problem. So if you've tried to speed test and you tried to log in again and you've disconnected devices and you've still had no luck, the final thing I would suggest is to try disabling a VPN if you do have one running. Although a VPN does have some benefits, it can actually cause problems when you're trying to play some games if you have a VPN enabled. So make sure to turn that off and give it a try again, and hopefully that should resolve the problem. So that's a few things you can try, and I hope this video did help you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate if you dropped a like on the video, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel to stay up to date for the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.